Say, I'm 11 months, and I like the splish splash in the bath. And I have a little mustache with bubbles. You gonna splish splash? You gonna splish splash? Yeah! Yeah! You're a good splish splasher. Hey Noah, can you say Dada? Dada, you did good. Dada. Is that your first word? Yeah? You say Dada. No, Mama. But Dada. Noah. 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 Hey, Noah. Can you wave? Can you wave? No, we're entertained. Noah, can we wave? Can we say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? You say Dada. Can you wave? Can you wave? Yeah? Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? You need to sit, buddy. Can you say bye-bye? You're gonna say Dada. You say you say bye-bye. I want you to wait for me. No, we're just gonna splash. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No bye-bye. No bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye.